Hey guys, my name's Scott Alexander King and I'm so excited to announce that I'll be coming to speak at Carmel's ranch as a special guest of her family and her team. I'll be arriving on about the 18th of August and going through speaking till about the 26th, I believe it is. And I'll be speaking about all things animal dreaming. Now, if you're unfamiliar with my work, I have been seeing animal spirits with people since I was a very, very little boy. I see them as the same way I guess that Carmel sees spirits of the passed over loved ones, or a psychic might see spirit guides or angels or whatever. I see animal spirits, and they've been appearing to me since I was about 6 or 7 years old, and I'm now 50, so it's been a while. Now, when I see animals with people, they tell me all sorts of things. They tell me, what sort of a life the person's had, where they're heading, where they're going, any health issues, relationship stuff, all those sorts of things, based purely on their symbology. Just like crystals have messages or meanings, animals do too. And when I see these animals, they tell me all sorts of wonderful things. So I'll be offering readings when I'm at Carmel's ranch in the mornings for a couple of hours, and those readings will be very in-depth and very, very detailed, and they take about an hour, I think. I think that's what I've suggested, and they will be offered, as I said, in the mornings. So if you'd like to book in for one of those, have a chat to Carmel. It's all available on the website, all the information, Baird.com, I believe her website is, or animaldreamingpublishing.com. It's all the details there on the links. So readings in the mornings. Then on the final weeknight, I'll be offering a live audience reading. I think it's on the Friday night, and during that reading night, I'll be reading members of the audience, just the same way as I would be during the week, private readings, but in front of a whole group of other people. And these readings are really exciting, very, very powerful, a lot of laughter, a lot of fun, but also a lot of spiritual insight, a lot of healing, a lot of ability to chat with each other and to discuss the symbology of the animals that you might have seen in your own life as well, which might come up in those readings. It's a very powerful experience. And then for the next 2 days, I'll be running a 2-day workshop, which I'll be exploring the philosophy that is animal dreaming. We'll be discussing animals that really make our skin crawl, why we don't like certain animals, why we love other animals more, the archetypes that rule us each and every day, what happens when we have an animal encounter, what does that mean, animals that appear in unusual situations. They all mean different things, whether you're a dog person or a cat person, whether you're drawn to certain animals, whether you're born under the star of certain animals, the signs of certain animals, because we all have a star sign, we all have a zodiac sign, and so all these different symbologies, they all mean different things. So these are the sorts of wonderful things I want to discuss when I'm over there. So if you'd like to know more, please visit carmeljoybaird.com, I hope that's right, or animaldreamingpublishing.com. All the details are on the website. Any questions at all, get in touch with either Carmel's team or myself. But in short, I'd love to see you there, and it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks so much, guys. I look forward to meeting you all. Ta-ta.